In this video, I'm finna talk about different hair textures, man. Have you ever wondered why you got the same texture as somebody else, but y'all waves don't look the same? Stay tuned, cause I'm gonna tell you exactly why, man.
Oh, young fly nigga, I keep big shit. Yeah, plug my wristlet, plug my big wrist.
Hey, Swag.
What up, Drizzle?
Why me and your hair don't look the same, bro?
What?
Like, why your texture don't look like mine?
Oh, I know what you're talking about. That's because you got nappy hair, bro.
Nappy hair? Are you crazy, fool?
You got nappy hair, bro.
We the same person, fool.
Yeah, but I'm like a 4A, man. You like a 4C, bro.
Class C, class A. Oh, what is that, bro? I don't know what that is, bro.
I tell you what, bro. Let's do a video about it.
Alright, let's do a video then.
Alright.
To my nine.
Let's do it then, man. But you gonna make me slap the shit out of you, boy.
Slap the shit out of who, what? Crazy hell, boy. I just got out of prison too, boy. You crazy, boy. Nah, for real.
Alright, where your chain at, bro?
Oh, snap.
How we supposed to combine, bro, if you ain't got the chain, bro? You know the necklace?
Oh, I got it.
Put on your chain, bro.
What's good, notification gang? It's your boy SwaggDrizzle. If you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, man, be sure to hit the subscribe button right now and click the bell so you don't miss another video, man. In this video right here, we're gonna be talking about different hair textures. You might have the same texture as me, but our waves don't look the same, man. I'm gonna tell you why. Let's get into it right now. In my last video, man, I found a chart about how long the wool. If you haven't seen that video, man, be sure to check that video out right now. You can click right up there and check it out. But I found another chart, man. I found another chart. And this one right here, I feel like it's very helpful also, just like that last one. So if you take a look at this chart right here, you'll see that there are 4 different types of hair textures. You got number one. Number one is really straight hair. If you're a waver, you cannot be number one. And the reason being, in order to have waves, you must have curls. So as you can see, number one do not have any curls. So when you say straight hair waver, you are not really a straight hair waver. I get that from my boy J. Lou the Dunn. He gave me that knowledge. So big salute to him. You cannot have waves as a straight hair waver. So all that talk about straight hair wavers, you are really not straight hair, because you'll be number one if you straight hair. We go back to what are waves, right? Waves are laid down curls. You gotta have some kind of curl into your hair. So we're gonna move on to number 2. In the 2 category, we have 2A, 2B, and a 2C, right? If you have waves with straight hair, you most likely gonna be a 2A through the 2C. The 2A hair got a little curl to it, but as you move on to 2B, you can see it curling up a little more. And when you move up to 2C, it got a lot more curl than 2A. So
that's on me, baby.
okay, moving on to the medium texture wavers, man. If you're a medium texture waver, you more likely gonna be from a 3A to a 3C. And it comes down to when a lot of people talk about they don't know if they got coarse hair or medium coarse hair. You more likely gonna be a 3C. And the reason being because the 3C is like the closest thing to a coarse hair waver, as you can see on the chart. When some people talking about they got a combination of 2, no nigga, you got one of these types of hair right here. Alright, we're gonna move on to coarse hair. Coarse hair wavers, man, we're gonna be a 4A to a 4C, man. And to keep it 100 with you, man, I started off as a 4C, but right now, I think my hair done moved on to a 4A. And pretty much how I did that, man, I just started washing my hair at least once a week, sometimes twice. Deep conditioners, leave-in conditioners, hot oil treatments, and all that helped me take my hair to a whole nother level, man. If you take anything away from this video, man, take this. Taking care of your hair can change your hair type. You still gonna have the same texture, but your hair type can change, in my opinion. It's only right if I show y'all the ways, man. Let me show y'all the ways.
Gotta sit on the mic.
cause I can't keep my thoughts inside me. And I keep them hoes at my spot like Michael Lowry. Got a bad little bit from Paramount at the Eiffel Towers. Bought a brand new watch for my birthday. But
I hope this video was very helpful, man. If it was helpful to you, man, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, man, be sure to hit the subscribe button right now and click the bell so you don't miss another video, man. It's your boy SwaggDrizzle, man, and you already know I'm out of here, man. Salute.
diamonds off in my head. Shining, they know I'm clear. Behind me, they in the rear. We kicking, pimping over here. No lame bitches over here.